Did you know that heart murmurs in cats are often discovered during routine vet checkups? But what exactly does a murmur mean for your feline friend? Let's explore this intriguing topic. A heart murmur is an abnormal sound caused by turbulent blood flow in the heart. While murmurs aren't a disease on their own, they could indicate an underlying heart condition in your cat. Common causes of heart murmurs in cats include hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, the most prevalent heart disease in cats, congenital heart defects, anemia, hyperthyroidism, and innocent murmurs found in young kittens. If a heart murmur is detected, your vet may recommend an echocardiogram, X-rays, or blood tests to check for underlying conditions. Treatment varies. Some murmurs need no intervention, while others require medication. Not all heart murmurs are serious, but early detection is key. Keep up with regular vet visits to ensure your cat's heart stays healthy. Like and subscribe to #BellaandBuddy for more pet health tips.